Alright, hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey, and today we're having the Song Association Challenge with the Real Jamaican Girls.
Hi, my name is Shanté Tracey. And my name is Shadae. Hey.
Alright, so we did a Song Association Challenge, you know, between me and she, but you know, she teeth me. She teeth me. Gravity. Yeah. Gravity. Yeah, your love is like I don't know. I like me, I tell you. You didn't watch it though.
Yeah. You lost because you're a loser.
No. Your teeth. I picked out a few random words for each of these girls, and they have 10 seconds to come up with a song. A real song. No fake song. Real song.
I was supposed to like...
Hey! Okay. Guys, like this video and share it, and also subscribe and click the bell. Alright? Click the mother bell. Alright, so let's begin.
Blood. I can't sing the bad word. I don't know the song with blood. Oh my god, please let me start over. A beautiful girl all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time will be wasting. They got nothing on you. I don't know the song with ugly. I don't know. Song with mash. Pretty girl. I don't know. Your good food bring life. But you know what to sing that do. Jamaica. Jamaica, let me love. Don't stop, make it drop, and to beat DJs on that. Don't. Ooh, oh. Candy. Man down, rum pa pa pum, rum pa pum, rum pa pa pum. Sing together, you got it as. Fluffy, you got it as. That's why man, that's why. You know, when you're back on, you know what I'm saying? won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. Yeah, you love embarrass me.
Alright guys, so that was the Real Jamaican Girls Song Association Challenge, and I think we have a winner! Alright, so thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate the love. If you're new, please subscribe, click the bell, again, you know, like, share, all of that. Alright, so enough love and blessings. Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
The blood. How where you come from? Of course me have to do this in my life.
We should go.
A zip line?
A zip liner, yeah.
What are you, 10 years old?
Yeah, Bravey, I want to make out them phone in a public you.
I'm seeing that you're very tense now.
Lady, you don't know me.
Listen, boy.
Lady.
Listen, boy.
So one along boy, man I tell you stop. Are you a friend is?
Hey Maya.
Where you coming from?
You know what I think Eddie done?
What you doing, you know? Just
Studying.
studying. Oh, cool.
By myself.
I saw you go school.
Go suck your mother. People look up to me as, you know, Mr. Responsible, the guy that has it together.
I promise you, nobody sees you like that.
And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.